What happens if you and your spouse cannot agree on a custody or visitation arrangement? If you and your child's other parent can't agree on important issues that impact your kids, you'll likely have to bring the matter in front of a judge, though it may depend on the county. When struggling to agree on custody or visitation arrangements, some judges might ask you to try working things out with a professional mediator trained to help people make agreements. If that does not work, then you will have to go to court. In court, you will need to show evidence to the judge to support your case while following strict rules regarding what can be shown and how it must be submitted. Once the judge has all the information, they will make a decision based on what they see to be in the best interest of the children. Only a lawyer understands exactly what the court is looking for and how to convince them. If you cannot agree on a child's custody or visitation arrangement in Kentucky, contact family law attorney Tim Hendrix as soon as possible. Book a free consultation to discuss your custody case at www.timhendrixlaw.com.